So we'll do first Excel and Access, and then we'll do the extra question that I plan only for Access, for the student who have to do only Access. So let's start. I am here in virtual private network. So on the Mac, go connect to server. On Windows it's much easier, just digit / ubz01 fst on any Windows window. Exam Coletti. You find here the list of the names, get yours. Okay, we'll work directly online. I have to open private companies. Come on. In sheet balance. Oh. Okay, 2 columns salaries. Okay. I have to apply a conditional formatting with data bars, so easy. Conditional formatting, data bars. Done. Save. In range P2, P3, calculate the standard deviation and the variance of salaries. Oh, difficult. It's locked. Damn. Okay. Equals to dev.s equal var s. If you choose var p, I will consider it right anyway. Okay, let's make it larger. Okay. In cell P4, calculate average of tax for companies which paid a tax smaller than 3,000. So equal average if, so tax smaller than 3,000. Okay, I don't need to repeat it 2 times, but it okay. In range Q2, Q6, insert the following text. Okay, so I try to insert 1, 5. So I undo. So I insert apostrophe 1, 5. Alternatively, you can select Q and set it to text before doing it. Let's see whether it works, because I'm not really sure. Sometimes it doesn't work. Text 1, 5. Okay, so 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 20. Okay, fine. Now I save. In sheet scenario, filter yellow spaces, build a scenario manager. So I have to switch sheet. Obviously it's saving, so it will take 2 hours. Okay, I make it larger for you. So fill in the yellow spaces. Sales, quantity by price. Quantity by price. Cost, quantity by value. I wrote what is it, because you never know what students do, but honestly. Gross margin. Okay, so it's sales minus cost. Okay, net income is gross margin minus fixed expenses. A wonderful negative net income. So our company is at a loss. Very good. Build a scenario manager for year 2015 with 3 different configurations for cells C2, C4. Well, 2 different configurations includes the starting one. So, data. What is it? What if analysis, scenario manager. Okay, add a scenario. Scenario name. Starting. Changing cells. 2003. And I press command. This one. Okay. So value. It is at the starting one, so add a new scenario. scenario 2, more quantity. So I am lazy, I will keep all the rest the same. So instead of 40 I will 100, and now a higher price. And let's change the price, which is currently 9. Let's put it to 13. Okay, I have my 3 scenarios here. Let's see. No, with more quantity it goes better, but also with higher price. Okay, summary. Okay, result cell C1, or better, let's put all the partial results. Okay. Okay, make it larger, improve the quality. So, oops. Six, 7, 8, and 11. So 6, 7, 8, and 11. 6, 7, 8. And 11. Ah! Okay, I built the scenario summary. It was not required by the text. Anyway, I built it. It was not required. Okay. Build a two-dimensional data table in which you examine the variation of net income for 2014 when changing quantity sold, and sales price, Okay, so equal net income. Okay, let's put here the quantity sold, for example, 40, 50. And here, what do we have to put? 6, 6.5. So 6,5 on my computer. It's up to 10, I think. Okay. Now select everything. What if analysis data table, row input cell. So on the row I have the unit price, and on the column I have the quantity. Let's check. With 40 and 8.5 it's minus 130. Yes, fine. So we see that it's profitable only here. I save. In sheet solver, you like to eat stick and as a second choice potatoes. A kilogram of stick costs 6 euros. So let's make it larger. So you need to read it 2 times, there is no way. I have already read it. Stick, potato, potatoes. So stick, suppose I take, let's say, 3 kilograms of stick and 7 kilograms of potatoes. These are my variable. Objective function. I want to maximize the amount of stick eaten. So very strange. Okay. Constraints. So my constraints, let's see. Must say 72 euros to spend on food. So my constraint is that 72 euros. Okay, is that Sorry, also the price. Let's put here the prices, for example. This one costs 6 and this one costs 2. So constraint is equal stick by the cost plus potato by the cost should be smaller or equal than 72. Okay, then the other one, I require 20 kilograms, so 20 kilograms minimum, so directly at least 20. Okay, no other constraints. I can eat also partial kilograms, obviously. I cut the potato in two. Okay, I save because I don't want to crash suddenly. Click on solver. Before tomorrow, maybe, if it arrives. Okay, set objective. This one. Max by changing this the variable. This one. Subject constraints. This one smaller or equal than this one. Add this one larger or equal than this one. We don't have any other constraint. Yes, they should be non-negative as it's written here. Let's see. I want also the answer sheet. So okay, so it suggests 8 kilograms of stick and 12 of potatoes. Okay, fine. We stop here. Okay. The report is built. In a new sheet, draw the mathematical graph for function ta 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 ta. So I insert a new sheet. Okay, so x, fx minus 1 minus 0,9. It's always a good idea to keep the step low if I don't specify it. Okay. Equal 1 divided by open parenthesis 1 plus exp of minus x minus 3 click. Yeah, it is the famous logistic function for those of you who will see it in future courses, in particular in statistics. Okay. That's it. I don't request anything else. It's a famous function because it stays between 0 and 1 and goes like this. Okay, Excel is over. Now I will shut it down as soon as it finishes saving. Come on. After 3 hours. May I? Okay. Now I check today, so it's fine. I close the VPN because I don't need it for... Okay, now the Excel exercise. On the Mac I need to use VMware. I prefer to access directly Windows rather than opening Excel access. So I will open the entire Windows.